9 years ago, on this exact basketball court, God spoke to me and said, "Jeff, one day you're going to plant a church in this neighborhood." I have not forgotten that calling, and I've fought to align my life with that mission ever since.
From the first time I met Jeff, I realized he had a determination to obey the calling of God on his life. I admire his tenacity and consistency as he leads our family in a passionate pursuit of God.
God is bringing that calling to pass.
We are here to introduce to you Revive Church.
Revive Church has a mission of breathing life to where hope is lost. What does that mean?
It means we demonstrate his love by displaying who God is right where people are.
We believe in the Great Commission. We believe God has the answers for darkness and hate in our world today.
Answers to insecurity, anxiety, and fear.
If anything is clear, it's that our world is crying out for hope.
Revive Church is about Christ followers demonstrating that hope in real and tangible ways. It's our vision to see the northwest area of Milwaukee transformed.
We don't think we can do this alone, or that God has only called Revive Church.
We believe we are only one part of the puzzle, but we will make sure our piece is placed exactly where God wants it to be.
God has a destiny for the greater Milwaukee area. There are 96 different neighborhoods in Milwaukee. And several years ago, the Lord gave me a vision for new faith communities of believers living on mission together as new churches in each of these neighborhoods, as extensions of His light, His life, and His love, coming right here from Park Lawn Assembly of God. I called the vision 100 in MKE. And why? It's because sadly Milwaukee is under attack through segregation, sex trafficking, inequality, and many, many more issues. And so we need God's help now more than ever. And we need you. We're asking you to consider two things. First, what is God saying? How should you spend your time, your life? Are you called to join the mission and breathe life alongside of us at Revive Church? And second, we believe most people are eager to give back to places that are genuinely meeting people's needs. So what is God saying how you should spend your money? We want you to know that we're working along with you and with your giving to turn dollars into changed lives. If God is placing this vision in your heart today, please consider giving at the website link below.